I will provide some general tips on how to make your wife happy and satisfied, but keep in mind that every individual is unique and may have their own preferences and needs. Show appreciation. Expressing gratitude and appreciation for the things she does for you can go a long way in making your wife feel valued and loved. Listen actively. Listening to your wife and giving her your full attention can make her feel heard and understood. Avoid interrupting her and show empathy towards her concerns. Help with household chores. Sharing household responsibilities can help lighten the load for your wife and show her that you are willing to support her in maintaining a happy and healthy home. Plan surprises. Doing things that your wife enjoys but may not expect can be a great way to show her that you care about her and her happiness. It can be as simple as cooking her favorite meal or surprising her with a thoughtful gift. Spend quality time together. Spending quality time together is crucial in maintaining a strong emotional connection in marriage. Plan date nights or activities that you both enjoy and make time for each other regularly. Communicate openly. Communication is key in any relationship, including marriage. Be open and honest with your wife, and encourage her to share her thoughts and feelings with you as well. Remember that the key to making your wife happy and satisfied is to show her that you love and care for her, and to put effort into maintaining a strong and healthy relationship.